This is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if you don't have any sound on your Samsung phone. So the first thing we want to do is just go to volume up. Just make sure our volume is all the way up. Then we can go to the little button above it where we can see the three little dots. So we can go back, and when we press volume up we can go to the three little dots right here. And just make sure everything is turned up. If there's anything too low, we're not going to have any volume for that. And then we can go to settings right here too. And then we can see all the different options. So where's ringtone? So this will be your phone calls. You can decide, sometimes it's too loud, so I just keep down notifications. I think this is text messages, AI stuff. Okay, so you can see that in volume. We'll get back to this in a second. But let's go to the top right now and swipe down, go to settings. Actually, there might be an option in here called Do Not Disturb for one of these widgets. So it's right here, actually. So if you have this accidentally turned on, Do Not Disturb, this is going to be pretty much muting all your call alerts, your messages, your notifications. And sometimes I accidentally turn this on without realizing it. So Do Not Disturb, make sure this is turned off. Then the same thing for Bluetooth, we can go to Bluetooth. If you're connected to any kind of Bluetooth device, like a speaker, headset, or something like that, that could be routing your audio specifically to that. So you can try turning off your Bluetooth for a moment and seeing if that works or not. But you can just leave it on if the sound isn't working and you have it off. Then we can go to settings right here and scroll on down. And we can just go to sound and vibrations, and we can just look at this as an option. Make sure your phone isn't on vibrate or mute. So you can see mute is on right here, vibrate, and then sound right here. Then we got volume. This is where we were before. Just make sure everything is turned up. We got call vibrations, and we should be good to go now just with those three things. Those are usually the ones that are causing the issues. Then we can also just restart our phone real quick. Just do a quick restart, because most of the time that fixes a lot of problems. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.